Okay, so you might come across text files that you downloaded, and even though the actual title, the name of the text file is displayed in Japanese, when you open it up in text editor on a Mac at least, it comes up as this kind of gibberish text. Um, so some so to fix this, um, I've just figured out how to do it. So what you do is instead of opening it up with text editor, for some reason text editors can't read the text in the original Japanese. So instead you want to open it up in Microsoft Word. And when it opens up, it auto detects the encoding that the original file was in. In this case, it's come up as Japanese. Now, the default for Japanese text is UTF-8 or UTF-16. But when you select those in the list, that comes up as gibberish as well. And even in UTF-8, it kind of starts putting Chinese characters in, but the rest is just gibberish too. So somehow the original, I don't know why the person who made the file did it on, I don't know what happened, but basically just if you just go with the auto detect settings Japanese, hit OK, and when the file opens up, and you can see it's all, the text has been corrected. So now you have to save as file, save it as a new file, save it as a plain text, but you can rename the file as one because you'll be resaving it into the same destination where the original file, corrupted file, was set as. Hit save, and then instead of choosing Japanese, for some reason I tried it, TextEdit can't read this encoding either. So I'll go with UTF-8, which is the kind of standard, I guess. I don't know. But as you can see here, it's all readable. Hit OK. And when it comes up, and now, if you look at the file, it's now readable in TextEdit. Readable text, which is awesome. It's working now, brilliant. I was a bit worried at first because I thought I'd messed something up. Didn't know what was going on, but this is fixable, so it's very cool. And here's the original file, and you can see it's still in gibberish. But it's essentially the same file, but just we've changed the encoding. And that's how I managed to kind of fix it. So that's it. Very cool.